Like, please let me know kasi gano'n naman po kami simulat sa pool. Wala naman kaming tinatago sa isa't isa. We're already comfortable with each other and we don't like to take it the long way or the long route. Like, we just tell each other directly.
Ako, I see you guys on social media. Apply kayo nagpo-post, you do your own thing, you attend events. Siguro do you believe, Mad, that there's a certain, siguro like a certain group of people who support you? Parang siguro baka they were expecting talaga or ang gusto nila ay may romantic ending sa inyong dalawa. That's why may ganong klaseng reaction.
Sa lahat naman po siguro ng mga pair-ups or mga love team, syempre hindi mawawala dun sa mga sumusuporta sa love team na yun yung, oh, I hope they end up together. You know, that kind of feeling or that kind of thinking na feeling ko sa totoong buhay sila na talaga eh. Pero ayun nga po, I'm just glad and I'm grateful kasi yung mga cast rin, yun yung ship name po namin, yun yung mga supporters namin ni Cass. They don't ask for anything much from Cass and I'm. Natutuwa lang sila pag nakikita kaming magkasama. Yeah, sa interviews or like out of the country, mga barkadahan trips, okay na sila dun. Like, they're not the ones forcing us to be together or gumagawa ng issue na sila na talaga sa totoong buhay.